Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make your username and server name invisible on Discord. And if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So you can do this either on the Discord app or the web-based application. It's all down to personal preference. In today's example, I'll be using the web-based application. So what I'm going to do is just come across and log into my Discord server. And first of all, I'm going to show you how to change your name. So you can see at the moment I've got 4371 as my username. What I'm going to do is come down and click onto user settings, which is the little gear icon down here. And then what I'm going to do is next to my username, there's an edit button. So I'm just going to give that a click, and there's something you need to put in here. If I come across to my notepad, and you'll see there's two separate ones. There's one for the server and there's one for the username. Don't copy the brackets, just copy the actual character inside the brackets. So all you want to do is hit copy and come back and paste that into your username. And then you just want to enter your current password. And you'll see when I actually come out now, the username has disappeared. It's got my tag still, but obviously it's very hard to discover who you are without your username. So to actually change your server name, what you need to do is come into your server and click the drop down box, which is at the top left of the screen. And then you want to come down to server settings. And then where it says server name, you just want to delete that and put the other character, which is different to the one for your username. Again, don't copy the brackets, just copy the actual character inside the brackets. You can find all this down in the video description down below. You just want to go ahead and paste that in and then hit save changes. And you will see that now I've come out, you'll see at the top there's no server name. That's actually disappeared. And you can see on the left hand side as well, normally you have like words if you haven't got a server image, and that's disappeared as well. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.